Dear students, today's topic is sets theory. In class 9 and 10, especially the set theory is related with cardinality. So, today we are going to start the class cardinality of sets theory. Some formulas. Here, N A union B is equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B when there is intersection or common. When three sets are given, then N A union B union C is equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. And if complement is given, then any complement can be calculated by subtracting from NU, such as N A union B complement is equals to NU difference N A union B. Similarly, if any one only or a difference, you can find N only A is equals to NA difference N A intersection B. Here some examples given here, because in cardinality of set theory there are different type of questions, and here I try to give different 5 models of the question related to the set. Out of 50 students in a class, 10 students like maths but not science, and 50 students like science but not maths. If 10 students like neither of both subjects, show the above information in a Venn diagram. Find the ratio of the students who like maths to who like science. Here you can let maths one M and science one S, and represent here given NU equals to 50, N only M equals to 10, N only S equals to 15, and N M union S complement equals to 10. And suppose N M intersection S equals to X. The above information can be shown in Venn diagram as shown here below. See here, M equals to 10, S equals to 15, and both one intersection is X. The NU equals to sum of the all, the 10 plus X plus 15 plus 10, or 50 equals to 35 plus X, or 50 minus 35 equals to X, therefore X equals to 15. Now NM equals to 10 plus X, so 10 plus 15 equals to 25. And NS equals to 15 plus X, that is 15 plus 15 equals to 30. Hence the ratio of NM is to NS 25 is to 30, that is 5 is to 6. Now second model. In a group of 150 people, 120 like to play volleyball, 85 like to play football, and 25 none of the games. So the above information Venn diagram. How many like to play both games? How many like to play volleyball only? Here, let V and F represent the set of people who like play volleyball and football respectively. Let U be the universal set. Here, NU equals to 150, NB equals to 120, NF equals to 85, and V union F complement equals to 25. Let N V intersection F equals to X, and this information is shown in this Venn diagram. And NU equals to 120 minus X plus 85 minus X plus 25. This gives X equals to 80. Therefore, NA intersection B equals to 80. Now, N only V means 120 minus X, that is 120 minus 80 equals to 40. Therefore, 40 people like to play volleyball only. Now here, the problem related to the ratio. In a group of 100 students, the ratio of students who like geography and sociology is 3:5. If 30 of them like both the subject and 10 of them like none of the subjects, then by drawing Venn diagram find how many students of them like geography only and who like sociology only. The same way you can do here, and at first you represent in Venn diagram shown in the figure, and if information Venn diagram already represented, then now you can calculate NU equals to 3x minus 30 plus 5x minus 30 plus 10. This gives X equals to 15. It means the number of students who like N only G equals to 3x minus 30, and after calculating you will 15. In same way, N only S is 5x minus 30. After calculating you will get 45. Here next model, if percentage and number given, then how to solve. in an examination, 45% student passed in science only, 25 passed in English only, and 5% failed in both subjects. If 200 passed in English, then find total number of students by using Venn diagram. Same way here, N equals 100%, N only S equals 45%, N only E equals 25%, and S union E equals to 5%. Then let N S intersection E equals to X% and include these all in Venn diagram as shown. Then from the Venn diagram, N equals to 45 plus X plus 25 plus 5. After calculating, you will get the value of X equals to 50%. Now suppose total number of students equals to Y, then 50% of total students equals to 200. That is 50 by 100 into Y equals to 200. The Y equals to 400. Therefore, total number of students you will get 400. Now next question is related with percentage and number. Out of some students appeared in an examination, 80% passed in English, 75% in science, and 5% failed in both subjects. If 300 passed in both subjects, how many were appeared in an examination? Find by Venn diagram. In such type of problems, you must see the number is both subjects saying, that means intersection. You have to find the percentage of the intersection. Here N equals to 80%, N is 75%, and E union S complement equals to 5%, N equals to 100%, and N E intersection S equals to 300. The let N E intersection S equals to X%, and this data is kept in Venn diagram, and from Venn diagram N equals to, you will get 80 minus X plus 75 minus X plus 5%. That means 100% equals to 160 minus X%. The X% equals to, you will get 60%. Therefore, N E intersection S equals 60%. Now, 60% of total students equals to 300 given. Total students into 60 by 100 equals 300. Then total students equals to 500. The number of students who appeared in the examination is 500. Dear students, you can practice such type of questions from your textbook or practice book.